Who's your daddy?
I fucking did it. I didn't mean to. I just wanted it to snow. I just wanted to make it snow, okay? I know parents have a big influence. I'm really sorry. You have no idea.
Okay.
I can afford paying a fine.
Wait, who is this?
I didn't mean to. I just wanted it to snow.
Hey, you should save this phone number. Cause this is his phone number.
Yeah! Fucking my dad did it, and I just wanted to do it too. I just wanted to make it snow, okay?
You want to talk to them? Let's call here.
So many people do bad things when I do it. I know. I just wanted to make it snow, okay? I can afford paying a fine.
Who are you calling?
No, they called this phone number. I just answered.
Why would you answer that?
I don't know.
Well, for fun?
Just talk to them.
We're in,
North America.
Taiwan.
I didn't mean to. I just wanted it to snow. I can afford paying a fine.
We're in Taiwan.
My dad did it, and I just wanted to do it too.
Taiwan.
Fucking. I know. Fucking.